Hello you guys! Today we'll be making 3D printed Growtopia locks. But not just any locks, we are going to be designing locks as toys inspired by Babushka toys. So we'll have to design the small lock as the smallest model, the big lock a bit bigger, huge lock even bigger, and so on. We'll have to cut and hollow these locks to make sure that the smaller ones can fit inside the larger ones. So as you can see, we just opened up a sketch and we're going to trace this small lock and all its edges as a sketch so we can make it three-dimensional later. Now that this is done, let's extrude the bottom part of the lock first. Let's extrude it by 15 mm and let's extrude the shackle as well by 5 mm. But here we are going to add an offset of 5 mm and that places it in the middle of the lock. For coloring purposes, we are going to have to sketch the keyhole as well, so we can later extrude it by a small amount and make it an easier surface to paint. Now that the base model of the small lock is done, we are going to add some fillets to its edges to make it look more realistic. Here we go! The small lock model is completely done, so we can move on to making the big lock now. Now that we imported the picture of the big lock, we will roughly resize it until we can see that the small lock can fit inside completely. And now let's trace it, extrude it, and add some details. Now that the model is done, we'll first have to cut it in half and then make it hollow, so that the small lock can fit inside. Now that we can see that the small lock fits nicely inside, we have to make some channels so that the two parts can fit together nicely. So let's make the first channel on the bottom part of the lock, and then another one just on the opposite side for the top part of the lock. Let's use the section analysis tool to check how they fit together, and we can see here that they fit together but a bit too tightly, so we'll have to make some clearance in between them. We will do that by adding an offset to the bottom channel, and now let's check again, and we can see that they fit together nicely. Here we go, the big lock is done, so we can go on. I just figured out that the huge lock, the world lock and the diamond lock are all the same. Different color, but same tracing. So I traced the world lock. Extrude it and add the details. Cut it in half, make it hollow, add the channels and add some clearance. Copy and paste the huge lock to make the world lock, resize it, some more copy and pasting to make the diamond lock, resize it, and now we move all the locks around to see if they fit together. And they do indeed fit nicely, so let's color the model, splice it and print it. Here we are at the finishing touches. Let's remove the supports.